Good morning, everybody. Today it's another beautiful day, guys, and it's in a different location and of course a different hotel. And as usual, I'm gonna take you around and just to show you what do they offer for breakfast. This is the hotel that I'm staying in. I pay $73 for night, and that including breakfast. And we will go and check it out. So let's do and see what do they offer. Before we head out for breakfast, let me give you a quick view of the room. This is what the room look like, and this is the window view. I'm at the ground floor, and this is the outside view from my window. And again, it was raining all night last night, and it's gonna be raining all day long as well, which is kind of changed my plan because I had a plans for today, but it's all changed because of the rain. Right there, that little building that you guys see in the corner, that's the Nurse Stadium, and this place, it's packed with people whenever there is games. It was a game 2 days ago, but I didn't make it. I tried to come, but I wasn't on time, so I missed that one. Alright guys, so let's head out for breakfast and let's see what they got.
Feel the goosebumps on my body come alive.
Not a lot of choices for breakfast today. We got muesli bars and cakes and apple and orange juice, but the actual orange juice machine out of service.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Water, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, look like some dirt in it.
What are you doing?
I'm just making, I'm a blogger, making videos, showing people if they have some
Yeah,
bad
this is
stuff.
not good.
Yeah, so that's okay. Yeah,
What the hell?
that's weird.
I
This
don't know.
look like a,
Coffee ground?
yeah, it look like a,
Coffee?
but why would they put it in?
Right.
Yeah,
This is not good. I just wonder if it's hot water.
yeah. And they don't have a lot of option either. I mean,
Yeah,
you know,
it's not
just a little,
good. This is
yeah.
breakfast food.
And look at that apple. You see that? It's a bad apple.
I don't know. It's, you
Yeah.
can't drink that.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So as you guys saw, we don't have a lot of option today. So that's all we got: apple and Snickers. Yeah. And that's for breakfast. They don't even have a proper coffee, which is a shame. But what I'm gonna do, once I leave the hotel, I'm gonna grab a coffee on the way somewhere. And again, maybe I stop Dunkin' and get a big cup of coffee. It's been a while that I didn't have. I always have the hotel coffee, and maybe today's a perfect day to do that. So that's all I got, guys. And it's a nice view. I mean, it's beautiful. The setup, it's great, but there's no actual food. I mean, there's no cereals or anything, no bread or anything like that. So I don't know, it's because that I came late, but I'm not late because their breakfast start from 6 to 10 o'clock. And right now, it's 8:30, so plenty time. It's not that I came late. Usually, I mentioned that in the last video, if you come late, then you may not get all the food at the table because whoever come first, they get all the good stuff. drink for today. It's Sunny D. It's a mixed orange. You know what? Let's try this one. Let's see how that tastes like. I don't know if you guys tried this before. Check this out. So that didn't work. All right, let's try one more time. Okay, it's too soaked. That's the issue. All right. You know what? Let me do something better. Okay, let's do it this way. That's not working. I don't have actual spoon, so what are you gonna do? So it's raining today. That's what's look like the outside, as I mentioned earlier. So it's a beautiful day. And like I said, no doubt they had the best setup. Alright guys, so that's for today. So as you guys saw, there wasn't a lot of options, but you know, you get that here and there, and you know, some are still good, some are bad, you know, just how the experience go. Yeah, so that's for now guys, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.